if you want to make your Samsung Galaxy A26 faster, so first of all, we shall open up our settings. Now, the first thing what we can do is to delete the applications which we are not using, but which are making our phone slower. So open up your apps. Here is the list of all of your applications. Go through it and delete the applications which you are not using. For example, YouTube Music. Tap here, press uninstall, press OK, and it's gonna be uninstalled. Also, it's quite a good thing to clear up some cache, right? So choose the application which has that cache. For example, our Chrome, press storage and press clear cache. And do that with all the applications which you're using and which may contain that cache. Right. The next good thing is to close all the running apps. So tap on your recent apps and simply close them. If you have many apps open, let us open many apps. So I will show you the example. You are simply to press close all and they are gonna be closed simultaneously. The next good thing what we can do is to open up our developer mode. Let's open up our settings, about phone tab, software information, build number. Let's tap on it 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Press OK. So here is your developer mode. Now scroll down to your developer options. Great. And here we gotta find our window animation scale, transition animation scale, and animation duration scale. This will turn off our animations. So let's choose the corresponding options. They go one after another, and let's set them on 0.5. This will reduce our animations and our phone will work faster. So let's go back to our settings. And now locate your software update section. Tap here, press download and install, and let's see if our phone has any updates pending. So there is update, as we see. So give your phone some time to download it and install it. Also, you can set up auto download overnight. Let me finish the download process and I will show everything to you. So here is your download. You can either press install now or schedule install. Do that. Also, you can enable your auto download. Easy as that. And the next thing, last but not least, is to check our device care. And in our device care, you can check your storage. Here you can see all of the files which you're using, so you can delete some of them which you're not using but which are taking up your storage and making your phone slower. And basically that's it. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.